it is acting as reducing agent, while SO2, sulfur dioxide, can act as both reducing agent as well oxidizing agent. Because that is the question. See, reducing agent के लिए क्या करना है? Reducing agent itself getting oxidation. So, see, oxidation number क्या है? +4. Here oxidation number -2. See, +4 to it can go for 0 also. It can go for +6 also. +4 to +6 means can oxidize. Oxidize means it can act as reducing agent. +4 to 0 means reduction. Reduction means it can act as oxidizing agent. So ये reason है. SO2 can act as reducing agent as well as oxidizing agent. Two possibilities are there. But in case of H2S में sulfur has -2. Okay, -2 already it is getting inert gas configuration. Is it possible to get -3? No. -2 से हो सकता है 0, हो सकता है maybe +2, maybe +4, maybe +6. In all these cases are getting oxidation only. There is no reduction. It is undergoing oxidation means act as reducing agent, but it never undergo reduction. H2S, because there is a -2 is the border. Limitation is there. जिसका सल्फर का लिमिटेशन है -2 to +6. This is the limitation. Suppose +6 is there, आगे ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं हो सकता. Suppose H2SO4 is there, H2SO4, ठीक है, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर क्या था? +6, ठीक है. Furtherly it cannot oxidize. Furtherly it cannot oxidize means H2SO4 cannot act as reducing agent. H2SO4 ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट का काम करेगा लेकिन reducing एजेंट का काम नहीं करेगा. Why? Because maximum oxidation number +6 से कम हो सकता है, maybe +4, +2, 0, -2. In all these cases, what's happening? Undergoing reduction, but further oxidation not possible. Okay, H2SO4 only oxidizing agent, H2S only reducing agent. Understood the concept? So here option is there. Sulfur in H2S has -2 oxidation state. That is the correct option. 25 moles of electrons. 25 moles of electrons and forming a new compound X. In the new compound X, what is the nitrogen oxidation state? This is the question. 1 mole into H4 losing 10 moles. One nitrogen losing how many? 5 electrons. Not getting. N2H4 together 10 moles है तो suppose ये तो NH2 है तो कितना? 5 moles. बेटा N2H4 का फार्मूला क्या था? N2H4 उसमें आधा करो. NH2 क्या? 5 moles. NH2 में नाइट्रोजन ओनली लूजिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन, क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन ऑलवेज +1 ओनली. Whatever electron losing, that is donated by nitrogen. Okay, so how many electron losing per one nitrogen? 5 electrons. क्योंकि 1 mole NH2 losing 5 moles electron means 1 NH2 losing 5 electron. 1 H2 is nothing but 1 nitrogen only. क्योंकि hydrogen is not donating electrons. ये सिर्फ समझ लेगा. This is the key point, key rule. Okay, N2, 1 mole N2H4 is donating 10 mole electrons, 1 NH2 donating 5 mole electron, 1 NH2 equal to means donating 5 electron. This 1 NH2 is nothing but 1 nitrogen only. Okay, so finally conclusion क्या है? 1 nitrogen losing 5 electrons. See, -2 से 5 electron lose करना है, मतलब if it is comes 0, 2 electrons, that means +3 is there, 5 electrons. -2 to +3 is there, 5 electrons. Understood? -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. Total. How many? 5 electrons. So in new compound में oxidation state होगा वो +3. Got it? What I did again I am repeating. 2.5 moles is losing 25 moles. उसमें 1 mole how much losing? How much electrons? See 1 mole of N2H4 losing 10 moles. ये first step is clear. इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. Right. N2H4 double double is there. I am making simplified. That's all. ठीक है. N2H4 का suppose इसका मैं 2NH2 लिख सकते हैं. It is nothing but 2NH2. N2H4 is nothing but 2NH2 only. 2NH2 donating 10 moles electron means 1 NH2 is giving 5 electrons, 5 moles electrons. Simple. Then 1 NH2 is giving 5 electron means nothing but 1 nitrogen is giving 5 electrons. ठीक है, समझ गया? Right. आंसर मिल गया. -2 to +3. 5 electrons losing. Right. Is dissolved in HCl. Is dissolved in HCl means HCl से reaction हो गया. Maybe HCl. And then the calcium is precipitated as CaC2O4. Okay. इसका मतलब होगा इधर H2C2O4 होगा. This is called oxalic acid. Okay, oxalic acid was there, acid and this base reacting and forming this one, right? Now it is treated with KMnO4 and forming this neutralizer. Okay, treated with in acidic medium, right? Take equation also given. So here MnO4 minus is changing into Mn+2. Okay, then this much information given. Now here this KMnO4 required 0.25 normality, 40 ml required. Itna information given. Now question is asking, in this given calcium carbonate, what is the calcium oxide percentage? This is the question. Okay, understood what is asking? What is given? Right. Now, you tell me, first you convert into number of moles. Normality is given, volume is given. What is the molarity formula? Then molarity equal to N by V. That means N equal to M into V. Molarity into volume. Suppose normality है तो same normality into volume. Number of moles equal to. लेकिन here moles, V is a liter, but here in ml. So that means this is equal to 25 into 40. How much? 10 millimoles. वो मोलारिटी है तो मिलीमोल्स. अभी नॉर्मलिटी है तो इक्विवेलेंट मोल्स. बस EQ एक्स्ट्रा, इक्विवेलेंट मोल्स. ठीक है. और मोलारिटी नॉर्मलिटी यू ऑलरेडी लर्न इन फर्स्ट चैप्टर. ठीक है. See, again once you read the question, calcium oxalate is forming. वो calcium oxalate completely neutralized by this KMnO4. Okay, one balancing equation also is given here. 1 KMnO4, 1 mole of KMnO4 is reacting with 1 mole of oxalate. Okay, that means 10 milli equivalent moles means here oxalate कितना होगा? How many moles होगा? Same. Just like HCl and any other H type. Okay, so oxalate how many equivalent moles? 10 milli equivalent moles. Oxalate 10 milli equivalent mole means, see oxalate में तो calcium है. Here 1 calcium is there means here 1 calcium. Here 10 calciums are there means here 10 calciums. So how many millimoles? This is also 10 milli equivalent moles. ये equivalent moles को convert into moles. How many moles? 5 millimoles. 5 millimoles of calcium carbonate. कैसे Mn n equal molarity. We know that 1 mole of calcium carbonate equal to 100 grams. Yes. 1 mole of calcium carbonate equal to 100 grams. Now 5 moles है तो 500 grams, लेकिन तो मिली मोल्स है, that means milligrams, 500 milligrams. ठीक है, अभी 500 मिलीग्राम, ये 500 मिलीग्राम में देखो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट इज द सम ऑफ कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड 56 इज 44. 100 में 56 है तो 500 में कितना होगा? 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 5 6 3 30 25 28 280 ग्राम्स. ओके, 280 ये कितना होगा? 5 20 22. राइट. व्हाट इज दिस? कैल्शियम, सर इज द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, दिस इज द कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड. ओके, अभी क्वेश्चन क्या था? हाउ मच कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड परसेंटेज. देखो कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड कितना है हमारे पास? 280 ग्राम आंसर आ गया आउट ऑफ 518. See, it is a gram में, so I am taking the milligrams, milligram and milligram. Percentage into 100. How much is present? How much we took? Percentage तो पता है ना everyone? Your scoring marks upon total marks into 100. That is the percentage, right? Now just you do this percentage. If I make it 10, cancel here 51.8. Then 51.8 double or 28. 51 कितना होता है? 5 में अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5 into 10 अप्रोक्सीमेटली तो 50 हो जाएगा. 50 और 50 से तो आगे. आंसर विल बी, see answers are, one is given option 54, 27, 42, 84. Nearest value तो 50.